If CapCut is lagging, freezing, or glitching while you edit, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can make a huge difference fast. We'll lower the preview quality, turn on hardware acceleration, and clear the app cache so CapCut can run smoother on your device. These steps are easy, beginner-friendly, and they can help reduce stuttering, slow playback, and editing delays. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and go to your project where you're seeing the lag or glitching. One of the quickest ways to improve performance is by adjusting the preview quality. In the preview window toolbar, look for the playback or quality option. If it's currently set to original quality, change it to a lower setting like low quality. This does not affect your final export quality. It only changes how smooth the preview looks while you're editing. Lowering the preview resolution reduces the pressure on your system, which can make playback much smoother and help CapCut respond faster as you move through your timeline. Next, let's turn on hardware acceleration. This is one of the most important settings if CapCut is lagging because it allows your graphics card to handle more of the editing workload instead of relying only on your CPU. To do this, open CapCut settings, then go to performance. Inside this menu, enable hardware, decoding, and encoding. Also turn on render interface with GPU. When these options are active, CapCut can use your GPU to process playback and interface rendering more efficiently. If your computer has a capable graphics card, this can seriously improve editing speed and reduce glitching during scrubbing, trimming, and previewing effects. After that, it's a good idea to clear the app cache. Over time, CapCut can store temporary files that build up and slow the app down. To clear it, go back into settings and find the cache size option. Tap or click it, then choose the option to clear the cache. This removes unnecessary temporary data and can free up storage and improve performance. If CapCut has been acting weird, loading slowly, or freezing unexpectedly, clearing the cache is often a simple fix that helps right away. Now, after applying all 3 steps, restart CapCut so the changes can take effect properly. Reopen your project and test the playback again. In many cases, you should notice smoother previewing, less lag, and fewer glitchy moments while editing. If your device was struggling before, these settings can make a big difference without needing to reinstall the app or upgrade anything. And that's it. You now know how to fix CapCut lagging and glitching using preview quality, hardware acceleration, and cache clearing. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful CapCut tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more editing fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.